We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Meow.
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Oh my goodness, oh my damn, oh my goodness, they're going ham.
My mama always told me I could be whatever I wanted, so I became a problem.
My parents force me to wear diapers when visiting other people's houses because I am not yet potty trained. Maybe if I give my mom puppy eyes, she might take this shit off. Let me try again.
Out here feeding the cats.
I heard stories. Don't know if I was ever asked to join the army. I had to look the old father.
I don't even have time for my love life, to see my family. I don't even have time for nothing. I'm working every single
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. No, I won't live to see another day.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
Meow.
Pretending to eat my dog's face.
Let me get some more.
Don't lick his face, mama.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible. Don't, no. Get up from.
Hey, honey, give us a song.
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture and save it from the funny tricks of time.
One month, 2 month, 3 month, 4. Hit the baby mama when I'm stepping through the door. Yeah, I'm pregnant, but I got an ill flow. Tryna make some.
You ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
On your mark, get set, bow, grow, flow, blow, go.
She crazy. What? Yes, I got you, baby. Here she is. Here she is. There we are. It's okay.
But this is a real find.
Just buy it. You don't have to rationalize everything.
All right, I will buy it. It'll be good for the economy.
I have a penis.
Late igual homem. Igual homem. Não é igual homem. Igual homem. Assim, ó. Aí.
So I finally gave in and adopted a cat. This is BB. I adopted him this morning. BB, do you love me? Look, he's already giving me hugs. BB.
Peace out, A-Town.
When your dog's supposed to be protecting the yard.
How you let me catch you laughing like that? Huh? How you let me catch you laughing like that?
He was excited seeing outside until he saw a big bird flying.
Oh, my goodness. Here. Here. Here.
you, Smalls. Bow. Bow, 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 bow. Boop.
Ooh, a fresh pie. Save me a slice. That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's... All right, that's good. Okay, okay. All right, okay, all right. Okay, that's good. That's good. It's enough slicing!
Tycho farted. Ew. Tycho, you don't even care. Oh, he's crying. Tycho, I was kidding. Don't cry. I was kidding.
Bean. Oh my god. You're supposed to be my emotional support animal. This is emotional abuse. I love you.
You holding your poodle? Oh, he cleaned you. Just eat him?
Play this sound and see how your cat reacts. Wait for it.
Eat your vegetables!
Do not lick me. Keep that tongue in your mouth. Don't you dare. Don't lick me.
So I saw this thing on TikTok where you lint roll your bunny when they're shedding, so we're gonna give it a shot.
What's that?
What it's like trying to have a nap at my house. There's no room for me.
How many times did I say don't flood the house? Oh my god! Hey, Cookie, no! No, Cookie, you're gonna drown! No! Come here! No! Stop! No! Get out of the bathroom!
Oh, look at these sweet little faces that are out here. Do you want a marshmallow? There you go. Do you want a marshmallow? Come on. There you go. And I don't really know you, so I'm not going to hand feed you. And then, come on. Here's my little shy ones. Here's my little shy ones. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's getting braver. Come on, you can do it. Come on. It's okay. There you go. Oh. There you go. Wat is er?
Ja, dan gaan we in 2 weken extra niet zoveel meer mensen vaccineren of de resultaten daarvan zien dat dat echt een enorm verschil gaat maken. Maar goed, als dat is, dat inderdaad helpt voor de psychologie van de...
Cookie, stop! Cookie, stop! Cookie, stop! Ah! It's squishing. Feed the chicken squishing. My sweet baby. Look at that squishing. Good baby. Hey, we got the accent challenge. Shout with me today. From 1 to 10. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got Beanie. Number 2, we got Eat. Number 3, we got Eat. Number 4, we got Beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got Cheat.
We do not treat you that bad, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Stop playing, bro. Leo, stop playing, bro. Leo, bro, stop playing, bro. Look at me, bro. Bro, stop. Stop it. Bro.
You're not less of a cat just because you have one ear. You're not less of a cat just because you have one ear. You're not less of a cat just because you have one ear. You're not less of a cat just because you have one ear.
Where are you trying to go, buddy?
Watch how my cat greets me when I come home.
Well, if it isn't a gecko in my shower. Come on, friend, let's get you outside. Looks like another chick's coming out. Evening, little friend. All right, buddy, time to go. Hang in there, Julie. Oh.
Pretend you eat your dog and see their reaction.
You taste yummy. Tastes so good. You want to try a piece? Try. You taste good, right? Eat it. Dogs taste good. That tastes yummy.
You know what? This is the best day of your life, and I'm just gonna let you continue to have it.
Does anyone else's dog just sit and stare at them like this? Like, are you okay?
Bunny, let's go. Come on. Oh, big boy. Let's go for a walk around the zoo. Let's go for a walk. Look at those feet. Big old feet. Happy boy.
We're supporting Johnny Depp.
And what inspired you to bring your alpaca?
Well, I do bring them everywhere with me, so I thought it would be funny to bring him here too.
Did you dress him up for Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yes.
When did you first get into Johnny Depp?
Yeah, when I was in high school, I used to do projects of the rooms of the movies that he made with Tim Burton.
If you could say anything to Johnny Depp, what would you tell him? True.
The way they left him on his back to fend for himself.
Look at the baby kitten. Mama, your kitten's so cute. Oh, okay, leave him alone. Papa's still there, though. No! No! Your kitten.
He just accepts his fate.
What are you doing? Can I get a kiss? What are you doing? Can I get a kiss? What are you doing? What you doing?
Какой дурак.